Here we go. Gonna play some Subway Surfers. Whew. Here we go. Sorry if you couldn't hear me for a second. Just downloaded this. Here we go. I haven't played this game for a while. Like the longest time. It's kind of laggy for some reason. Oh, I think it was just doing that. Okay, I know how to play. It's how you jump, it's how you roll, side. Here we go. What if I don't want to double down? I don't want to do... I swipe sideways! What the heck? Of course it's my new high school. Here we go. Oh. What? I thought you was able to jump up there. I don't know why I'm doing so bad. Why am I doing it so bad right now? I haven't played this game forever. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't want that. What's wrong with this dude? Nothing. No one wants Tony. I always wanted this when I was playing earlier. I was little younger. Or this. I did not mean to start. Next. Yeet. Hope I don't get copyright strike. No! So bad at this game. My other high score was like almost up to 1 million. Had like 100,000. Oh, I just lagged. Oh, this is New York? Oh, no, there's CJ. Oh, yeah. Don't you see the garbage? No offense to New York, but like, you know that it's kind of dirty. Hey. I never understood the logics of this game. Like, they would go, see, that's about to go through that car. Ooh, another mystery box. Yay. Oh. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Oh. Oh, yay! No more being scared, CJ. Oh. The crap. No! Oh, that's scary. Okay, well, my game is lagging for some reason. This game isn't even online. Hey. Hey. No. I'm gonna play for a little bit more. I like how I get this and I go exactly where they are. Like, it's just a waste of them. See, watch. Oh, wait, let me go over here so it actually has use. See, right here, that would have been perfect. Oh! Oh, my. Oh, the first basketball is right there. Oh. Oh. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this because this is my first time playing a game on my laptop. Okay, well, I'm about to stop this then. Peace. Thanks for watching.